Hi, AC. Si Tita Glenda ni, kumusta man? Happy first birthday to you. Um, I hope you had fun. You enjoyed your day. I wish you all the best in life. Um, good health for always. To you and your family. I-regards na ako sa mga magpapa. Um, kung kabalo lang ka, how happy and lucky they are having you as their daughter. So be a good girl always to them. Love them, respect them, and of course, obey them always because they know what's best for you. Um, enjoy life. Life is great. Life is full of pressures, yet so fulfilling. So, um, enjoy life. We only live once, so live life to the fullest. Always believe in God. Don't forget to pray. God is our strength. Um, Pakabait ka. Um, Yun lang. I know you will never fail your parents. So be a good girl always to them. Study well. Bye-bye. See you later. Mwah, I love you.